10th and 11th, would you like a warm-up? Warm-up, Judge. Third runner-up in the World Championship duck calling contest. Winner of $200 in cash and other good prizes is John Stevens from Stuttgart, Arkansas. The second runner-up, winner of $350 in cash and other prizes, Rob Watt from Jacksonville, Arkansas. Now it's down to two. The first runner-up, $750 in cash, a lot of great prizes, Mike Smith. And the winner, the World Championship duck calling contest, Rick Dunn from BB, Arkansas. Some of our national sponsors who are going to present the award. J.D. Parker of Pioneer Brand Products. J.D.
World Championship duck caller is Rick Dunn of BB, Arkansas.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
I appreciate it.
Congratulations very much, Rick.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. It was unbelievable. You know, we were back there 5 hours and 20 minutes. And it's kind of a grueling thing to wait and then get up there and blow. When it came down to the last two, you know, I'd been in that position a couple of times before, and I always got second. And when they called out the other fellow's name, Mike Smith, for second and mine for first, I was just unbelievably happy. You know, it takes, I'm going to say it takes a little bit of experience because there are several good callers in there. Well, I first started duck hunting when I was 12 years old. My brother took me. And from the time I was 20 until now, I've duck hunted, you know, just about every day of the season. I kind of wanted to make my own call. It's just something that I wanted to do. And back in 1975, I started making my own call, echo calls. It just kind of mushroomed it, and, you know, it's kind of like a snowball going down a hill. It just gained momentum, and I make more and more every year. Well, I think that that's the best thing that you could do for a kid is get him started duck hunting. And, you know, you don't want to force them into it, but you want to make them have fun when they go out and get them on the right track. And I don't think there's anything better for a young kid, a boy or a girl, than to go duck hunting with their parents. just to win it one time is just a thrill. If I never win it again, they can't take this one away from me. I mean, I'm just happy as can be.